I'm sure you've heard the news. Hurricanes are fierce, but with the right prep, you can stay safe. Hurricanes are powerful storms with violent winds, heavy rain, and massive waves. They can cause major damage, but don't worry. We've got some tips to keep you safe. Before a hurricane hits, stay informed by following weather updates. Prepare an emergency kit with essentials like water, food, and medications. Secure your home by reinforcing windows and doors, and always have an evacuation plan ready. During the storm, stay indoors, avoid windows, and turn off electrical appliances to prevent power surge damage. After the hurricane passes, carefully check for damage and contact authorities if needed. And don't forget, help your neighbors. Community strength is key. Stay safe, stay prepared.